Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your brand logo on Monday.com. So if you're currently using Monday.com and want to customize your branding, let me show you how to change your logo. To do that, click your account on the upper right hand side and click in administration. Now on the left hand side, you will see that you have customization. Click on that. Then go ahead and click on branding. Here you will see it shows the Monday.com logo as your main, but you can change this to whatever you want, guys. You don't have to use this. Go ahead and click change logo. And let's say I want to use this kid here. I can click on this kid and just click open. Then it will want me to adjust it, so I need to make it really small. I can do it like that and just go ahead and click and crop, and you will see that it eventually changed. Now where is this? If you look on the upper right, you can see that it's there, and I now have that little kid right next to my account. So if I wanted to use a Drew tutorial logo, I could have used that, or whatever logo I want to use, right? And you can also do that for the heading as well. So on the heading, you will notice that it shows the Monday.com and so forth. You can set your email header to put whatever you want there. So anything you want to add, you can add that as well by simply clicking change email header. But that's how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.